In this video, I'll show you how to activate phone number in OneXBet. This is very simple, so subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you how to create a professional OneXBet account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option. Fill in your details correctly from your surname right down to your password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, OneXBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now, let's continue. So after logging into your OneXBet account, if you want to activate your phone number, here's exactly what to do. First thing, click on menu and then click on the setting icon at the top right corner, and then you're going to see options like security settings, and then you see phone number. Once you click on phone number, the first thing you have to do is to choose your country code, and then go ahead and put in your phone number. Once you put your phone number, click on link. If your phone number is correct, OneXBet is going to send you a code to your phone number. Then what you have to do, you are going to input the code on the box that is sent to you, and then complete your captcha, and your phone number is going to be linked to your OneXBet account and activated. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.